So, good morning, all of you. So, we were solving the problem, and the problem which was in front of us was the molecular a compound having the molecular formula C8H7N, having the IR data at 2200 and 1600 reciprocal centimeters, and a singlet at 2.4 del for 3 protons, doublet at 7.2 for 2 protons, and doublet at 7.5 del for 2 protons, and which here this are having the coupling constant, that is 8 hertz. And we have calculated the sites of unsaturation, that there is a high degree of unsaturation, means it contains 6 sites of unsaturation. Now the data which is available with you, from that, first of all, when we will just start with your IR data. So the first point, the IR band at 2220 reciprocal centimeter indicates presence of a C triple bond N bond, C triple bond N, and so this counts for two sides of unsaturation, and so the remaining sides of unsaturation is equal to 4. And so from the NMR data, the value at 7.2 and 7.5 indicates there may be a presence of aromatic ring, and the four sides of unsaturation also indicates the presence of aromatic ring. And this third thing, this 1600 reciprocal centimeter value is of the carbon carbon double bond aromatic, carbon carbon double bond aromatic. And so the second part, that is band at 1600 reciprocal centimeter, indicates indicates presence of carbon carbon double bond of aromatic ring, and NMR, and here it counts for four sites of unsaturation. And so the six sites are satisfied, means it contains a aromatic ring and a carbon nitrogen triple bond. So whatever the thing which is available, that is a presence of carbon nitrogen triple bond and a aromatic ring, that is C6H4, C6H4. So here C6H4, why it is C6H4? Four sides are there, but four, why I am writing? Because there are four hydrogen atoms, the data is given only for four hydrogens. So this indicates this may be a disubstituted benzene. And so now we will see the peak at 2.4 del for 3 protons is maybe for CH3 group, CH3 group, and it is highly deshielded. It is highly deshielded, and as it gives singlet and is deshielded, deshielded, so may be attached, may be attached to aromatic ring, may be attached to aromatic ring, because this 2.43 protons indicates presence of methyl group, it gives singlet, so it is not interfering, there is no neighboring proton, and so it may be attached to a aromatic ring. So this is one part of your structure. The second, the peak at 7.2 del for 2 protons indicates indicates presence of aromatic proton, aromatic proton, presence of aromatic proton having J is equal to 8 hertz, indicates indicates orthocoupling, indicates orthocoupling, and it is doublet. So so one adjacent proton, one adjacent proton may be present with one adjacent proton. So in this same way, as we are saying that when the J values are same, this indicates that there is a mutual coupling. So the peak at 7.5 del for two protons also indicates presence of aromatic ring with J is equal to 8 hertz. J is equal to 8 hertz indicates orthocoupling orthocoupling, that is a mutual coupling mutual coupling between protons of B and C type. So that we will see it in the structures and are d shielded. So the structure the structure may be as a aromatic ring, a proton. So these are the protons H, 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 H. Here a CH3 group may be attached, and here from the available data, if you just see C8H7, C8H7N, you got the information regarding the presence of carbon nitrogen triple bond. So you reduce one carbon and one nitrogen, you will get C7H7. From this, you got the presence of aromatic ring, and it is di-substituted because there are only four. So C6H4, here you will get 3, and here you will get one carbon, 3 hydrogens and one carbon, and so here it is the CH3 group. So here you are getting these three fragments. And so we will join these three fragments in the way that is the three protons are on the one side where they are giving you a singlet, 2.4 del singlet. Here there may be a presence of carbon nitrogen triple bond. So this gives a IR band at 2220 reciprocal centimeter, and aromatic this gives 1600 reciprocal centimeter. And these are the, so this is A type, this is B type, and this is C type, B and C. And so here you will get the value that is for 7.2 del, these two protons, this one and this one, and these two protons will give the del value that is 7.5 del. This will give you doublet, this will give you doublet, and as you get the doublets for these two types of two protons, and they are having the coupling constant value that is J is equal to 8 hertz. So in this way, this is the structure of your organic compound, which is shown with the molecular formula that is C7H8. So by using these different types of techniques, you can solve the different problems. Now we will try to deal with the different types of questions that may be asked in your examination. Now here we will have one more problem, that how you will distinguish how will you distinguish by NMR spectroscopy. And so we want to distinguish between the two different compounds, that is propanol and propanol. So see, OL indicates presence of alcoholic group and AL indicates presence of aldehyde group. And so the structure will be like this: CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. And for propanol you will get CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So how we can deduce the structure? So the here this methyl group, that is CH3, having two protons on adjacent carbon will give triplet, will give triplet. So this will give you triplet, and will be shielded, will be shielded, and so the del value will be somewhat less, around 1.4 del. Here this will give the second CH2 protons, CH2 group will give will give a 2 plus 1 3, sorry, 3 plus 1 4, will give quartet, means four lines, or it will split the lines into four, means the signal will be, the peak will be obtained as a quartet, and will be to downfield, that is de-shielded, and this will give you the absorption around 2.4 del, and this will give you quartet at 2.4 del. And third will be the aldehydic aldehydic CH aldehydic CH will give singlet at a singlet at 9 to 10 del, 9 to 10 del, because it is highly de-shielded, attached to a electron withdrawing carbonyl group, and so this will give around 9 to 10 del, a singlet. In the another case, here we will have here there are four types of protons, that is A, B, C and D. A will give A will give 2 plus 1 3, will give triplet at zero point 0.9 del, as it is shielded, because it is away from the oxygen and it is highly shielded. This will give the B type of proton will give, this will give 2 plus 3 5 and plus 1 6. So here it will give sextate at 1.4 del. It is slightly shielded, it is slightly de-shielded, 1.4 del, as it is slightly de-shielded, and this C type of proton will give triplet and will be de-shielded, and signal will be obtained at 3.45 del. So here you are getting at 0.9, 1.4, 3.44, and the D type of proton, it's highly de-shielded, and singlet, and will give singlet at 4.12 del. And so here you will get a singlet at 4.12 del. Here this will give 3.45 del triplet. This will give the sextet at 1.4 del, and this will give 2 plus 1 3 triplet at zero point 0.9 del as it is shielded. So in this way we can distinguish the two different organic compounds having a slight difference in the structure. So thank you very much. Here we conclude with this topic, that is the NMR spectroscopy along with the problems. So you are supposed to go through the different types of problems which are given in the textbook or in the different types of examination papers, question papers. Go through that. If you feel that there is a problem in solving the NMR based or the IR and NMR based problems, feel free to contact me at any moment. My number is there on your WhatsApp group, and come along with your problems. So, thank you very much. I tried my level best to give you the technique that how to solve the problem. Thank you.